Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Dom's Media Zone. Today we're going to be talking about using the GoPro Hero 8 as a vlogging camera. So I'm going to show you everything you need to set up a GoPro Hero 8 as a vlogging camera so that you can walk around with it and basically record yourself on the GoPro Hero 8. I'll show you how to assemble it, what parts you need to buy. I'll put links in the description, and also I'm going to be doing a little demo to show you how it looks when you vlog with the GoPro Hero 8 during the daylight and in the evening time. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to show you everything you need, all the little bits and pieces, and do remember to check out the links in the description. That's exactly what I used for the GoPro Hero 8 as a vlogging camera. So without further ado, here's the setup that you need. Okay, and here I'm going to show you everything you need to set up the GoPro Hero 8 to be a vlogging camera, and these are the items you will need. I will put a link to all the items in the description down below. Basically, this is what you're going to need. So obviously you're going to need a GoPro Hero 8. You're going to need the GoPro Light, which I'll show you in a bit more detail just now. And you're going to need the GoPro screen that will help you see what you're recording. You're going to need some kind of a grip. It doesn't have to be this one, but this one is really convenient for vlogging. This is the GoPro Shorty Mini. And obviously this is up to you, but I would recommend having at least one spare battery because the GoPro battery can drain quite fast. So the first thing you want to do when setting this up, you take your GoPro 8 firstly, and first thing you're going to want to do is put it into the media mod. You can see here the media mod has a front microphone, has a small back microphone, and the casing over the microphone. So there is a setting within the GoPro where if you're vlogging, you have to tell it which mic you're using. So you have to decide, are you going to vlog using the front microphone? So will the camera be pointed at your face and you'll be talking to it? Or will you be using the back microphone? So for example, you holding the camera this way, walking around and talking. So that's one thing you're going to have to decide while filming. Okay, so let's start by putting on this GoPro media mod. So what we're going to do first, we're going to open the GoPro Hero 8. The flap on the side, this comes off. So you don't need this when you've got the media mod on. And also to point out, taking that flap off makes the GoPro no longer waterproof. So once you take that off, just keep that in mind. Do not go diving with the media mod on because it's not waterproof. So there's a little clip here that pulls up. You take this up. And then basically what you want to do inside here, there's like a little connector that needs to fit in here where that little connector box is. So what we're going to do, we just slide this in like so, make sure it's clipped in, and then press that and it's closed. And there you go, the media mod is on. As easy as that. So after we've done that part, next thing you probably want to do is attach the screen. So if you take the screen, it's already got like a little hot shoe mount, so you can adjust this. The cable, I like to form this little loop with the cable so that it attaches easy at the back. All we do here is on the top cold shoe mount, we're going to slide that in like that. That's attached in the front, and then at the back just plug this in. There we go. The nice thing now is it can fold down and you've got the screen attached at the back. Next part, let's put the little GoPro mini stick on. So to do that, you're going to unscrew this. At the bottom here of the GoPro, you can see it's got these little legs which come out. It's a bit tricky sometimes, but there we go. They came out. And now we're just going to basically slide that in until you get a nice little hole that goes all the way through so you can screw the screw back in. Can use your hands. So there we go. So that's done. Now you've got a little grip that you can hold the GoPro with. And also it can become a little stand. So if you're filming something, you can have a little stand and put it on a stand. And then the last piece we're going to do now, it's the little GoPro light. So just to tell you a bit about it, the light has a power button on top here. This is a diffuser that comes off the light. I usually use it with the diffuser because the light becomes a bit more manageable to look at. Without the diffuser, it's really bright and it's like a very harsh light. With the diffuser, it's a bit more nice. And then here you've got a little charging thing. So if you want to charge the little light, you can just flick that and there's a USB-C port inside there. So we're going to put the diffuser back on. How it works, there's a power button on top. If I press this once, it gives off a very low light. If I press this twice, it gives off a medium light. If I press it again, it gives off a very strong light. So if I press it again, then it starts flickering. Press it again, it's back to the low light. To turn it off, just hold it down for a little bit and then it's off again. Now, the screen also has a charging point here, so you can kind of check the battery level. Let's just see when we put it on. Says GoPro and it's on 95%. If you hold it in for a few seconds, it will switch off. And there we go. So now the last part to get our vlogging GoPro set up, we're going to attach this light here through the side horseshoe mount. There you go. Now your vlogging setup's complete. And if you go outside, I'm going to show you how the videos look when you're vlogging with this kind of setup. Keep the spare battery on you if you can, because like I said, this GoPro does drain the battery quite fast. And it is a bit of a pain to change your battery with this vlog setup, because to put in a new battery, you have to take off this shorty stick basically and fold the legs up, take out the medium mode again, put the new battery in. So it is a bit of a pain. So rather make sure you charge your battery full before you start vlogging. But this is how it looks. And then to record, let me just switch the GoPro on. Show you how it looks. So we got the GoPro on, and then if we want to use the screen, we just hold it down for 2 seconds, put the screen on, and there you go. Now it's recording and you can see exactly what's in the screen. So you're seeing my phone right now, which I'm using to record this video. Okay, now that you've got your setup done, let's show you how some of the clips actually look during the day and during the nighttime. Hey, what's up everyone, and this is me vlogging on the GoPro Hero 8. I'm using the special mic that came with the GoPro Hero 8 mic mod, and I hope you can all hear me. This is how it sounds, this is how it looks. So yeah, have a look at the quality. This is what it's about. So I've got the little selfie stick, a GoPro screen which helps me see what I'm actually vlogging, which is really nifty. So this is how it sounds. Let me try put the light on, even though it is bright, if it makes any difference. So this is with the light on. Do you see any difference? Let me know. I hope you enjoy this. And this is another one. This is vlogging in good weather, in good sunlight with the GoPro mic on. There's a garbage truck, so you might hear some noise. And let me know what you think. How's the quality? How's the sound? I really enjoy vlogging like this because it's really convenient. I can see myself in the screen. Just need to remember to look into the lens and not the screen. So let me know how this looks. Is the quality good? I'll try to do some tests in the evening as well with the GoPro Light to show you how it looks. Okay, and this is how the setup looks. Filming this with my phone right now, just so you can see if I'm walking, how I'm holding it. It's got this little GoPro stick and busy recording while I'm walking. It's quite convenient to hold, and the quality is like this. So this is the quality you can expect. It's really good, I think, and I think you'll be able to hear me clearly as well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Okay, and this is what it looks like when I record at night with the GoPro light on, and I've got it set to the lowest setting. Let's change it to a bit of a high one. So this is the medium setting now on the GoPro Light in the evening, at night when it's dark. And this is the highest setting. It's really bright. Can't really see what's in front of me. There's some other settings, but let's put it back on the medium. So this is the medium, and this is how it would look like if you would vlog with the medium setting on your GoPro. Looks pretty decent to me. I do hope you enjoyed this demo. I hope it helps you out. That's how it looks, recording at night time when it's pretty dark outside, and that's how it looks. Those were the samples. I hope that helps you out. I hope you enjoyed this. If you are planning to vlog with a GoPro Hero 8, it is a really good camera to vlog with outside. I would say it's much better during the day than at night. It's more of a daytime camera, but you can still use it in the evenings to vlog if you've got the little light or some kind of light source. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it does help you out somehow. If you did, do hit like and do subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching. See you next time.